Back to the caravan, Alice.
Banjo.
Anybody think it's cold? Look at her.
I know I brought my dressing gown from home because I knew it'd be freezing, and believe me.
It's nice and warm in here now.
No, it's not.
It is. Yeah, so welcome back to the caravan, Alice. And first thing I want to say is thank you very much for all the lovely comments on that video we did last week.
Oh, yeah.
We had a fantastic night with Graham and Joan from Tech Marketing Services, didn't we? And
Yeah.
we didn't get a copyright, did we? Could we play music for 3.5 minutes?
We did get a copyright.
Did we?
Yeah, I couldn't monetize it.
Oh, you couldn't monetize it, but we didn't. What did it say? It won't affect your channel. But we knew that anyway when we did the video, didn't we?
Yeah.
Right, okay then. You see the nice sweetie pie?
Rose,
Okay, yeah.
days ago.
Freezing. What was it going to say to you then? Yeah, it's closing down weekend for us, isn't it? Sorry about my face, it's all red for some reason. I don't know what it is. But what did you say it was?
Dirt, because you're dirty.
I said I'm dirty.
Because you only have a wash once a week.
I don't dare. I don't only have a wash. I have a wash every single day.
With just water.
No, I'm shampooing places I go.
It's not for your face.
Yeah, so it's closed down. Just been an ad takeaway, so we didn't film that.
I packed everything last week.
Yeah, it looks a little bit blurry in there, don't it?
Got a couple of little things.
Oh. She's packed all them last week. Oh, that reminds me. It's just going when you check tyre pressure. I hope we're not going to blow a nail in it. So I'll do that in the daylight. So I hope we don't have to go and change the tyre. Because them cars don't have spare tyres, do they?
I'm not putting a spare tyre on it.
Has it got a spare tyre on?
No.
No, you can't put a spare tyre in it then.
No.
So I'll check that in the morning. When Darren's here this weekend. They've not been for 2 weekends, have they?
Is there somewhere in Kirkham you went before?
Yeah, there's 2 tyre places and they open till dinner time. So I'll check that in the morning, and if it is changing, I'll like drive there unless it's flat.
It doesn't come on unless it's got a puncture. Never.
Right, okay, yeah, and I hope it's on its side wall because them tyres were £174 a piece.
I know.
That's all you need, isn't it, before Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'd like to say a massive thank you to Stuart and Lynn.
Oh yeah, they've just been round.
They've just been round. They said we're not doing Christmas cards this year, but we've got some Christmas cards, but we've left them at home. But we don't know who's on site anymore, do we?
I like it. Tony says, well, you've never wrote a frigging Christmas card in your life.
But they gave us £10 to Andrew's Legacy.
Andrew's Legacy. Look at that, steaming up. Cause it's that cold. If it's not cold, why is my window steaming?
It's because I'm in here.
No, it's not. It's because it's cold and don't let some fresh air get to that.
Right, okay. Yeah. So yeah, future vlogs. We've got me and Jimmy. We're going taking caravan shoot Longtons, aren't we? So that'll be a good vlog, especially with Jimmy. And are you not coming to that?
Coming to what?
Stuart Longtons?
Why am I getting up early on a Saturday morning to take van to Stuart Longtons?
We can come and pick it up with us then. Bring it back here. So there's that video. Dev's watched 16 minutes of my truck video, hasn't you? And it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it really? It is good. Even my boss is in stitches today.
I said to him, what did I say to you?
What?
What were they laughing at?
You'll see. You'll
I
see.
didn't see anything.
It's going to be the best truck video ever. Not just by me, ever. So all you truckers out there, watch this vlog. I don't know why I'm saying all you truckers out there, you're all caravanners. And yeah, so yeah. Right, we don't know what we're doing tomorrow. We'll do something.
We're going out for a Christmas meal.
Oh, we're going out for a Christmas meal, yeah. Oh, hey. And I'll show you the damage I did to the side of the van last weekend.
Oh, hi van, yeah.
Yeah, I damaged the van.
I told him what had happened.
Well, I don't tell him. I'll just show you.
Well, he wouldn't listen, put it that road. And I said to him, you're going to end up doing what he did. And he went, what he did.
So I'll show you that. I'll show you that. I don't know why I'm laughing.
I don't know why you're
And we can't do nothing about it, can we?
Look at it, smash your face in.
I know, she just loves that word, Deb. Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Say
so
it all day, every day.
I'll show you what damage I've done to the van. Right, we'll leave that there then, shall we?
I'm going to watch a bit of Tom Pemberton.
And then we'll show you tomorrow what we're up to. Alright, so see you in a bit. See you in a bit. Bye. Saturday morning. Morning, sweetie pie.
Morning.
Morning. Quite nice actually, as you can see. Sunroof's open. Saying it's December, isn't it? It's quite nice. And I've got to go to the garage because when I went shop yesterday, it come up on the car tyre pressure. So I'm going to go and check there's no nails in the tyre, aren't there?
Yeah.
And then we'll get this caravan
Scrubbed.
Yeah. I just want to show you something outside. My sweetie pie will blame me for it, but let me go outside.
Oh no, well, was it your sweetie pie who did it?
Right. I want to get them stickers. I pulled them off wrong, but it should peel off. So what I did, I put the air dryer on, tried to soften it, and then I tried to scratch it with my nail. I think what happened is took the decal off. I don't. If anybody knows what we can do about that, I don't think.
Permanent marker.
Eh?
Permanent marker.
Even that's something Stuart Longton's can't fix.
Permanent marker.
I'll just have to try to get a permanent marker, but even over here, you can see it, can't you? It stands out like a sore thumb. I know it's only a little bit.
Because you don't pull the stretcher thing at the bottom, do
I got all the others off. All the others are off, yeah. Oh, look at that, there's 2 dents there.
Dents?
There's lots of dents, actually.
Oh,
Can anybody see them dents?
It's where your poles are suctioning out.
Really?
That's because you must have your poles too tight.
Wow, I never knew that.
Mustn't you?
It's everywhere a pole's been on the awning. Right, if anybody else has got dents like that, that's not supposed to do that, Sheila's got.
Well, if you keep tightening them and you're putting pressure on your van.
This van's not going to be worth nothing.
Well, we're not getting about it anyway.
I know we're not getting about it, but right, I'm going. These tyres, I've checked them this morning, they all look perfectly okay. But I will have to check them for a nail. What's that there? No. Right, I'm going to. We're not organised this morning because we've come here with no sugar. I made some breakfast this morning with no butter. So I rang her Wendy. She said I brought nothing because it's last week. So she's no sugar because they don't have sugar, and she's no butter. Have they? Right.
Shit show.
Yeah. So we'll get these little jobs done. Then we're going out for a meal with the Pilkingtons again. With the Pilkies. Looking forward to that. At the ship. And we'll see you in a bit there. Do you want to take from the shop while I'm going?
Good dust.
Dust, you know about dust. Well, you've got all day to clean it. Brave Pete, you know. Right, alright then, let's get back in here because I said it's nice, but it is a bit chilly. We've had to shut that because obviously, well, my feet. Right, right, turn the lights off now and then. Right, I'm going to go shop and I'll give my sweetie pie a lift, do whatever she wants.
Oh my god, that's a lie.
When we shut down tonight,
That is a lie.
we'll go put all these, aren't we, Deb?
What?
All the cushions are going in our Wendy's tomorrow, aren't they?
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, because
Because they're doing that work on that. We're not. I know they won't, but she won't have it.
they're doing underneath they're putting a new bit. Because they don't put a new floor, do they?
No.
Just do the bit that's damp. So they're working on that and they're working on that. So
Yeah.
they said if they damage it,
They'll
they
replace it.
But it took 12 months to get a replacement any road.
Yeah, but they're not damaging
So, no,
So-
no, I'm not saying they would.
So we're going to move all that, put it in our way. Got me everything as easy as possible for Stuart Longton's, haven't we? Basically. Haven't we? So next March we'll have a new window, damp free, and
blind.
we'll have a new blind. I'll not go in there because it's a proper shithole.
Because
yeah.
I've had a shower.
That needs replacing.
I don't think you've ever been in that.
Once. What's the point of paying all that money for a seasonal pitch and then using
This is the bullshit he comes out with. What's the point of paying all that money for a seasonal pitch and not using facilities? What's the point in paying all this money for this
because
van?
it stays crispine. What is it called?
Who does it when I use it every weekend?
Well, if you didn't use it, well,
Have you ever heard it?
I've never even had a proving though, mate. Never.
You're not.
And I'll give a little bit of a shout out to we pulled up outside the Indian last night and it was pitch black and bang 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 on the door. Shit me up, I tell you. Caravan in Kingo, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And he was telling us he picks his new van up in January, which he's bought a Swift Elegance.
What about Blogger?
Let me get there first.
Well, he's trading.
I get in trouble for interrupting.
Well, it's about time I did. Anyway, what about Caravan Blogger? He's traded easy in Hampton, gone for a single axle. We wouldn't fit Tony in a single axle anymore.
Well, you talk around me sometimes.
How would we? What in here with you? And we when I won't get through that door. Look at face on it. Anyway, he's going to get me tyre done and I'm getting everything in here done. We turned that off last night. Still a big block of ice. I mean, it is full of water. So I need to defrost that proper.
Oh, you should have done for now then.
I'm not. What? Is that shut,
Oh,
mouth?
sorry, your big head was it road?
I need to clean that oven because Tony's used grill this morning. He just put it back. You don't want to look in there, in the bedroom and bathroom. So I'll get that done while Tony swans around Freckleton or Kirkham, wherever he's going. It takes all day if I go and get a tyre checked.
Harold, as I was saying, he picks his new caravan up, Caravan Kingo. He's got the Swift Elegance 850, hasn't he? Oh, takes it off me again.
Does anybody else's husband do that? I'm 4'11", and Luke, where he's chopped the blue roll, and he expects me to reach it up there. There you go. Can you pass me the blue roll, please?
Not a problem, sweetie pie. There you go.
Okay.
Right, listen, I'm going to put some diesel in because we're getting low on diesel. I'm going checking them tyres, and then we'll see what we're doing in a bit.
Not much. It's just
Just tidy up there, get ready, go for a meal day, isn't it?
yeah.
Right, I'm going to because I've
as
got.
much as we can done today, so that in the morning it's best just get dressed and go.
Right, I'm going because I've got some bad coughs coming and I don't want to keep doing it, so I'll see you in a bit. Alright, bye. It's not finished. Right, my sweetie pie is doing a bit of cleaning. You got the new Hoover, which I bought them on for Christmas.
Oh yeah, you have, haven't you?
Yeah.
You did. You got me one off the link.
I won't let her have it. Yeah, off the link.
Yeah, no, not let me have it though.
It's in the attic, so you can have it on Christmas Day. Took the car, can't find nothing wrong. Each tyre has lost in between 4 and 6 psi. Now I think that's normal, isn't it? It's because of the cold weather, and we've not checked the tyre.
I thought they lose it in hot weather.
I don't know, but what I'm trying to say is we've not checked the tyres since we went to Lincoln to Gemma and Stevens. So they've lost. I'm dreading checking the caravan on the 3rd of January.
How long's it been stood this?
12 months.
It's been stood longer than 12 months.
No, it went off last year, didn't it?
No.
Did it not?
No, don't think so. No, we left it last year. We had
I thought the window went again in March.
We had, yeah, but they'd done it the year before.
No, I think you'll find you're wrong. I think what happened.
I think you'll find.
We took it in January and we brought it back here, and then 2 months later we came back in March and the window had gone.
It went this March. It went off not last January, but January before.
We'll find out. I'm £10 back. Not been in 12 months that.
We had service on here. We didn't.
Yeah, we had service on here. Yeah. But
Stuart Longtons would have done the service if we took it off.
Anyway, so the tyres, I think it's just because of the cold weather and we've not put nothing in.
Because we had 2 years warranty on it. That's why it's.
There's a question I want to ask here. She don't know what I'm saying yet, but
I never know what shit you call
right, there's a lady what lives in Freckleton, and her name's Betty Boo. Right. Now, the reason I'm asking this question is because I forgot to mention it. When we were going home a few weeks ago, we approached the traffic lights here in Freckleton. Remember? Do you know what I'm going to say? And this lady was stood at the traffic lights with a dog, and she's waving like that. So we set off, and I said,
"Right, what other ways that wave?"
I don't know, I set off. I said to Deb, I don't know who that was. She was waving, so I just waved back. Then when we were driving, Deb says, I bet that's Betty Boo. Didn't you? So I wonder if that is you, Betty Boo. And if it is, leave a comment, because you leave fantastic comments to us all the time. And it's nice to put a face to a name, isn't it? That's the only person we can think of what lives here in Freckleton is Betty Boo. So if that was you, Betty, I waved back anyway. Right, we're going to crack on. I've just had a shave.
We've got to crack on. All you've done is walk around with a camera.
We've got. I looked at. How long's it been on? About a minute.
Yeah, I know. I've done everything.
Keep still.
What?
Right, we'll go. I've had a shave. We'll go get changed in a minute, and then we're going for a meal, and we'll show you in the ship. All right.
You brought all this shit from your wagon, so you emptied your shit out your wagon.
I thought you liked cuppa soups.
Put it in here.
Some in there. I'll use it in the morning.
No, but you won't.
Yeah, well, I used it this morning. Right, okay then. Right, I'm going, because she's stressing me out.
Why am I stressing you?
Alright, see you in a bit.
Why am I stressing you?
You can't stop still. I mean, if you're all going dizzy, it's not me. Alright then.
Woo! Fine chocolate.
You know what, I've just filled a carry bag up for stuff out of date.
Yeah.
All in bottles and tins. What
All the sauces and that. Do I take them? Or do I leave them? No, I'll take them.
Well,
All
then,
the sauces and that go out of date.
yeah.
They've only just, like November.
You can't see, I'll let you know there's something there in the corner. Oh,
What?
no.
Get away!
Right, okay then. So see you in a bit, sweetie pie.
Swap.
See you in a bit, sweetie pie.
Bye.
Bye. Right, we're all ready. Just waiting for my sweetie pie. It's handy being famous, you know, because you get
Famous?
You get chauffeured everywhere. We're being picked up again by the Pilkies. Don't she look nice?
Oh, he went,
No, she said...
Oh, wait, does it look alright, this? He went, yeah.
Yeah, wait.
Faggot.
I know. Sometimes look nice.
Oh, actually, let me look. No, not really.
We're going. Having a meal.
We're having is it a
Christmas meal. I'll show it. But I'll tell you the truth, I'm having a burger because I don't like nothing on the menu. Alright. So see you in a bit.
It's a Christmas meal.
Christmas meal.
But why have you put it there?
I can stop it with this then. So I'm going. See you in a bit. Bye. Starters have arrived. We're all enjoying that. Mark's loving it. Are you?
Oh yeah.
See you in a bit.
Definitely.
All having turkey dinners and I'm having a burger. Not normal me. See you in a bit. Right, desserts have arrived. It's been a good afternoon, hasn't it, Mark and Streeter? Enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Right.
Very Christmassy.
Alcohol there. see you in a bit.
Coke Zero.
I know, Coke Zero. See you in a bit. Sunday morning.
And we're going home.
We're going home.
Till March.
Till end of February. Last weekend in February we're back. So it's been a quick video. Look at the state of it in here. And we've just been saying there's nothing, is there? We've just been saying if it was touring we'd have to do this every weekend.
Yeah, every Sunday, and I'm
All
not
parts, all electric, everything. And we're not up to that now. We're getting too old. Well, I'm getting too old. I'm older than her.
12 months.
12 months. But yeah, so thanks for a cracking 2025. We've got some more videos coming, haven't we? Before we come back. Got Stuart,
Oh, you have?
Got Stuart Longton's video, and then me and my truck, and then I want to give a shout out to a guy called hey, good joke that, Mark Guy. Thank you for visiting Tent Melting Services and having some work done on your awning. And there's quite a few other guys. I don't mean guys, Mark Guy. You know what I mean? Quite a few other. You ever not sweat? Because she's going home with me. That's what it is.
You will work.
I'm going to work. Right, okay then. Right, so yeah, so we're going to leave that there and we'll see you in January.
Yeah, so all have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year.
Yeah, fantastic.
And we'll see you in 2026.
Yep, and we'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye.